So now we're looking at multiplying polynomials. We start off with the most basic of which is multiplying monomials. And you've kind of already seen this in previous sections. We just didn't call it multiplying polynomials because they're monomials. But you've done this in the process of other problems. The process is the same. First, using the commutative property, we put what I call like terms together, but basically we put numbers together and we put variables of the same base together. And then we use the properties of exponents to actually multiply those variables. So we'll start with putting 5 first, times -7, and y to the 7th times y to the 4th. And it's the same exact thing that we already had written down. We just put it in a different order to have it separated like I just explained. 5 times -7 is -35. Same base, multiplication. So we use the product property to add the exponents. So 7y to the 7 plus 4. And that ends up being -35y to the 11th. Now with our second problem, the only difference is we have two variables and we also have a fraction, but don't be afraid of fractions. They're just numbers that represent division. So 2/5 times 15. And then we'll group our a's together. So a to the 4th times a. Then group our b's together times b cubed times b cubed. So 2/5 times 15, that's 30 divided by 5, or we could go 15 divided by 5 is 3, and 3 times 2 is 6. A to the 4th times a to the, there's an invisible 1 there, so a to the 4 plus 1 times b to the 3 plus 3, and we end up with 6a to the 5th, b to the 6th. So you can multiply monomials, just put the like terms together in order using the commutative property. We're just rearranging the order that everything's in. It's all multiplication, so we can use the commutative property and then simplify using multiplication and the product property for exponents.